funny guy, the best sense of humor, and we're gonna miss him a whole lot, man. And I appreciate all your hard work in mail order and just, making everybody, with your positivity and stuff. That's been great. And if you guys missed Ricky too much, I know you saw Kripali's email. You can catch him on YouTube serenading his wife. You can catch him on that. TechTimeWithT. But we're gonna miss you a lot, bro.
Thank you.
But that's your pizza, alright? Yeah, say something.
Hold on. This
Oh,
one's
he's
for
not done
Oh,
Always.
okay? The rap gods here. I miss your speech, sir. But anyway, thanks. I want to say thank you for all the management to hire me here. It was a good opportunity, and thank you all the pharmacists, technicians, and for all the support. Thank you. And the L Nation I'm glad to be the L Nation. I'm sorry. The L Team Nation. It started with J. Cole. we like from 2 scripts to now it's like 2,600 scripts.
Yeah.
But we were walking across the street with like a push cart. The script fell on the freaking middle of the street. Me and J. Cole did that, but it's a long time. It's good. Thank you, and good luck, everybody.
We took a lot of L's together, man. We love it, though.
We take the L,
we took
we adapt,
took
we
W's.
change, we pick our ass up, and go forward.
That's right.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thanks for always picking it up. We love you, bro. We love you for real. I got you, bro. If you ever need anything, reach out to me.
Thank you.
And L is for love.
There's mad pizza in there.